So here is my prediction for that of the 12th of April 2026. And of course, everything as far as opening up the strait, etc., has failed. And negotiations pretty much, well, didn't go anywhere. So here we are at the fear and greed indexes. It's now at 38. It moved up from 9 to 38. I'm slowly starting to buy stocks. I only have like a couple right now, only because I know for a fact if things go sour, then we are going to go. This was all on good news on United States numbers. This hit there. And of course, we are right now at that of the 125 S&P 500 is touched and gone over that of the 125-day moving average. So that is the outlook. However, now with everything that's happening right now, I can see the price of oil going up, and I can see this doing either hitting here and going straight down, or it's going to, again, once more, hit here, go down, keep on going down below there, and then something good's going to happen, and it's going to go up. So it's going to do a W formation. So that is one of the two things that is going to happen. This is going to go down and keep on going down, or it's going to go down, hit somewhere in here, hit here, and then go back up. If that is the W formation, then I think things will go upwards. However, like I said, war is the big thing right now, and everything's looking up, but things could change real fast, right? Down, up. So I'm just waiting for the next move to add up some more stocks. This is way down here. The VIX is way down. That was the very top 30. It didn't surpass that of over here. This was at way above. This one is like 40 plus. We'll see what happens, but that's my prediction. I really didn't believe that this was going to last very long. If you watch all my other fear and greed index videos, you know exactly what I mean. Anyway, check that out. It's all on my playlist on the fear and greed index. I have hundreds of videos there on how I predict the market with that of the fear and greed index, and of course the VIX right there, and of course the guys that made it happen right there. Have yourselves a very good day. Subscribe for more, and I'm out the door. Ciao.